Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to do, we're going to play around with the local time and GM time here. So I'm just going to give you a few little programs that you can write. So I'm going to call this one get local time. So I'm going to create a scalar variable called local time. I'm going to assign that to local time here. Then I'm going to pause it for 1 second, sleep 1. Then I'm going to print out the local time by adding that variable in, local time. All we have to do now is call it, so get local time, there we go. Okay, let's just call it. There we go, that's the local time. Right, what I'm going to do here, get GM time, Greenwich Mean Time, so get GM time. So I'm going to change this around a little bit, so GM. And this is going to be here GM time, GM time. Okay, so I'm going to print this out, make it a little bit different. So this, sorry, GM time is. And then we're just going to simply do GMT time. Okay, I made a bit of an error up there. Okay, so everything else looks good to go there. We'll just put / new letter, new line character there. Let's run it. Okay, so GM time is, okay, the Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to save the time, so I'll just create a new subroutine here. It's called sub. Let's make it a bit bigger. Save time. And I'm going to save the time to a txt file. I'm going to save it on my desktop, so we do that by creating a path to the desktop. So this is a path to my desktop on Windows. Your desktop path will be different from this, so you're going to have to find out what your own unique desktop path is. If you simply type this in, it will throw an error. Okay, then we use the CHDIR change directory, and we want to change into this path. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to create a scalar variable here called local time, and we're going to assign that to local time. Create another scalar variable called GMT time. Going to assign that to GM time. we're going to do is we're going to create a text document on the desktop. So create my scalar file here, and this is how we do it. And then we do this character here, which will create and write to a text. I'm going to give the text file a name, so that's going to be called time.txt. So that's the name of the text file, and then I'm going to create an error handler. In case something goes wrong, it should print out a message. Error, let's say, creating file. Okay, something very generic like that. Okay. Now, we're going to print. We're going to use the scalar file here. And then we're going to do scalar local time and a new line character there, so we're going to print that into the file. Also, we're going to print into the file again. It's going to be scalar file. This is going to be scalar GMT time. Okay, so once we've done that, then we can close the file. Right, all we've got to do now is save it and run the program. So save time. Save that. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, so that should have created the text file on my desktop called time.txt. So let's have a look to see if we can find it. Time.txt, let's open it, and there you go. You've got local time and GM time. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button before leaving, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.